The Ghibli images are viral and trending. It is the recent internet sensation. You can see pictures like this all over the social media, including Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and everywhere. From movie stars to sports persons to your friends, everybody's trying to Ghiblize them. But you can turn this trend into a money-making machine. In today's episode, I'll show you 5 ways to make money using the Ghibli images. The Ghibli images are the AI-generated artwork and visuals that mimic the iconic animation style of the Ghibli studios in Japan. The AI-generated Ghibli images has seen a 400% rise in searches on platforms like Pinterest and Instagram over the last 3 months. You can imagine why this is a viral sensation. The TikTok videos with hashtag of Ghibli-AI are having millions of views, and the aesthetic artwork always has a high engagement. Now, what is the opportunity? People love nostalgic, dreamy art. Just look at how the Ghibli fans are purchasing the collectibles, prints, and artwork from social media platforms Etsy and Redbubble. Just the other day, I came across an ad where someone had designed beautiful notebooks using Ghibli-style AI images, reimagining the famous book characters like Tintin, Sherlock Holmes, and Hercule Poirot. They were also selling some of the movie characters as well, or the old adverts to bring that nostalgia, which is no longer available in the open market now. So people are actually creating customized product to sell to their audiences because these kind of materials are not available openly in the market. So having something much more customized to bring out that nostalgia, bring out that memories is really attracting a lot of audiences and customers. And this is a fantastic business model because you have found a gap in the market and you are trying to fill that gap using AI. And that is the power of AI and a perfect business model. They are promoting and selling them on various social media platforms like Facebook, Etsy, Redbubble, or even advertising them on Pinterest and Instagram. It is clear that people are grabbing every opportunity to turn this viral trend into income. This means if you jump in now, you can ride the wave while it is hot. While millions are jumping in this trend, there's a massive opportunity to make money. Now, I will share 5 ways in which how you can use the Ghibli image to make money. So the first option is sell Ghibli-style prints on Etsy and Redbubble. Etsy's digital art category has seen a 200% increase in sales in the last year. People love collecting aesthetic posters and wallpapers. Use AI tools like Artistly.ai, MidJourney, or Stable Diffusion to create a stunning Ghibli-style cityscapes and landscapes. They are really beautiful and aesthetic. Upload your designs to Etsy, Redbubble, or Society6 and sell prints, t-shirts, and stickers on Amazon on demand. So first of all, you need to choose a niche like a landscape, cityscape, anime characters, or even your favorite movie characters, or even you can generate your book characters like your famous detective Sherlock Holmes. If you're a fan of Tintin, you can create that as well, and you can create a 3D animation. Imagination is unstoppable. Imagination can go wild. So it is completely up to you and your customer needs how you want to sell that. Evaluate your customer, understand what they are trying to see, what they are trying to show, and generate content according to your customer's need. This is a very important point. Customer is king. So make sure you do your research to see what is the trend, what is the customer is looking for. You can be as creative as possible to help your customer and fill that gap and satisfy the demand in the market. Upload your designs to Etsy, Redbubble, Society6 and sell prints, t-shirts, and stickers. Generate high-quality Ghibli-style or anime-style images using AI. Edit and upscale the images using Canva, Photoshop, or Gigapixel AI to maintain the quality for printing. That is one of the things that you need to think about because these will be printables on maybe larger objects or larger papers or t-shirts. Make sure the image resolution and the quality of the images are top-notch. Digital downloads are normally between $5 to $15, and that is income potential. Printed posters are at around $20 to $50 depending on which sites we are using, and you can also go to Amazon Print on Demand. My second option is create social media pages and monetize. Start an Instagram or TikTok page posting AI-generated Ghibli images. Aesthetic art pages grow 5 times faster than generic Instagram accounts. Your target should be get engagement, get the number of subscribers, get the number of fans, increase the followers, and then monetize through brand deals, affiliate links, and selling digital wallpapers. That should be your goal. I mean, Instagram platforms like this are often dependent on the total number of user base that you have. So try to maximize that using the Ghibli style images, make it a viral, you're automatically getting total number of followers. Now, what's the step to build and monetize? First of all, create an account in Instagram with a catchy name called Ghibli Dreams. Post around 3 to 5 AI generated images daily. Carousel posts works at the best. Or even you can start thinking about creating a reel with a number of carousel posts, and also you can put some motivational quotes there as well. And these are the kind of things which the viewers will really like. Use trending hashtags like Ghibli-AI, Animart, AI art community, or something similar. Monetize with affiliate links, sponsorships, or selling custom wallpapers. You get a lot of traction with the viewers. You need to maintain that community, engage with that community. That will be the real success story. My third option is offer custom Ghibli-style commissions on Fiverr or Upwork. Many people want Ghibli-style portraits of themselves, their pets, and their favorite places, and they also need it to be printed. So you can actually use Grok AI or ChatGPT to create custom Ghibli-style art for people. Target anime fans, pet owners, or people who want Ghibli-style portraits. Charge them for custom work on Fiverr, Upwork, or your own website. What are the steps to get started? Set up a Fiverr or Upwork gig and suggest you will create a Studio Ghibli style artwork which will be absolutely customized based on the customer's photo. You can offer 3 pricing categories or tiers, let's say $15 for basic, $50 for very detailed, and $100 for ultra high quality. You can use Canva or Photoshop or Topaz AI to sharpen and enhance the AI generated images for your clients. If you then use this custom style portraits and make them printable and sell it to them, it's a value addition that you can provide to your viewers with the premium pricing. So that is another opportunity for you. My fourth option is make YouTube shorts and earn with monetization. Create shorts showcasing trending AI generated Ghibli images. I've seen a lot of images with Hollywood characters or Bollywood characters, and it's just very nostalgic. The way they create the movies from old times and characters and bring out the stories to life, it's amazing. People actually like it, so people are trying to go back to these images. So just maximize whatever you can think of and implement that creative idea to monetize. It's your business, it's your side hustle. This is one of the passive income opportunity. You can use the YouTube Shorts fund, or you can use the sponsorships, or you can also direct the traffic to your store. You can also use AI video creation. You can convert your images into a short animation for YouTube Shorts or TikTok. Once you grow your channel, you can then diversify. My fifth option is sell digital wallpaper packs and AI prompts. The digital products have 90% profit margin with no inventory. That is the beauty of digital products. Bundle your Ghibli images into high-quality digital wallpapers. Sell on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own website. Here's the bonus. Sell AI prompts that help people to generate their own Ghibli-style art. Prompt engineering is one of the new niche that people are looking for, and you can create a very detailed prompt which helps your client to customize it and create their own Ghibli images. Now that you have generated it, what are the steps to sell these wallpapers? So first of all, create 10 to 20 high-quality Ghibli-style wallpapers, bundle them into a digital pack. For example, let's say it's a 4K, 2K, or a phone size. Sell on Gumroad, Etsy, or on your own website. Now, what are the steps to sell the AI prompts? Create a collection of best AI prompts for ChatGPT, or Grok, or MidJourney, or Stable Diffusions for Ghibli-style images. Sell as a digital guide on Etsy, Gumroad, or Ko-fi. Now, we have understood all these options now, but how to get started today? So first of all, choose your niche. You can actually have cities, landscape, custom portraits, anime characters, or you can also have your favorite book characters or movie characters. Generate images using AI. Use applications like ChatGPT, Grok AI, Artistly.ai, MidJourney, Stable Diffusion. Once you create the images, you can then use Canva or Photoshop to enhance these images. You can upload them to social media or sell it on Etsy or use print-on-demand websites. Monetize through digital sales, commissions, or brand deals. The Ghibli AI trend is a golden opportunity to make money online. Start now while the trend is hot and scale up as it grows. This is one of the passive income ideas. Let me know in the comments below how would you use this trend to make money. If you like this video, you might also like my whole playlist about passive income and how to generate money. There's a lot of videos around it, from side hustles to passive income. Please do watch. I will see you in the next video. Take care.